So we're going to make a paper airplane, Portuguese style, and you start with a 8.5 by 11 sheet white paper. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold it so it makes a perfect square. So you're going to line that up, and you're going to make a perfect square, and you're going to press it down. And there's one part where you need a pair of scissors. So you're going to take the scissors and you're going to cut along the line that you just created. After you cut the line, now you have to go and put all the seams in. So you open up your square, then you fold your square in the opposite direction and create another set of seams. So now you've got these 4 seams. You open it up, and then this one, you're going to fold it this way. As you fold it, you're going to push that in and fold it down. Then you're going to push this one in and fold it down. See that? So you push that in, fold it down, push this one in and fold it down. And as you do that, you try to keep it all square. Keep the tip going, push it down like that, and now you have this part. Then you're going to take this point and you're going to pull it up to the other point. Press it down, and you want to always press them down nice and hard. And if you've done it to this side, you're going to do it to the other side. So you'll take the tip, fold it to the other point, press it down with your finger. So at this point, you should have a paper airplane that looks like this. Now the trickiest part is the last bit of folding. The last bit of folding, the first thing you do is you take this side right here, and you fold it up to the seam, and you press it down. Then you open it up, and take the other side and push it to the seam, and you fold it down. Okay? Then you take this and you pucker it. See that? So you pucker it like that, and you pucker it, then you tuck it, and you pinch it, and tuck it up like that. So it's going to look just like this does, maybe a little smoother than what I did. Then you do that to the same side. So you take this and you bring it up to the seam, and you push it down, open it up again, take this one up and put it to the seam, then open it up again, and then again, the tricky part is you're going to pinch them together, sort of pucker it up, and make it look like that. All right? And it's not going to stay down at this point. Now you push this to the side, and you bring back this paper that you've just cut off. You fold it in half. It's going to become the tail of the airplane. So you fold it in half, you push the seam down like that, and you get your pair of scissors again, and you are going to cut the tail. Now how you cut it really depends. You can do different things, it'll fly differently, but basically the part that goes in the plane is going to go like that. I'm going to cut like that, and then I'm going to make a nice little loop there. So I'll cut this and see about how long it is. Then I go down. You want to leave enough of it so that it has some stability. And then when you get to about an inch, inch and a half from the end, you go and cut it this way. And there's your tail. So you move the scissors out and the scrap pieces of paper. You open the tail like this and leave it right here. You get your plane and you open it up and you take the tail, slide it in, lining it up with the seam again until it hits the back of the paper. When it hits the back of the paper, you take the beginning of the nose and you fold it so that those two stay in front, and this goes in the back, and you pinch it so it looks like this from the top. You flip it over and it looks like this. It's okay that this doesn't lay flat, and you'll find that it should fly pretty well as a paper airplane.